Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The economic calendar in the coming days is rich with data releases that could impact the market. High-impact events will be especially significant, but even moderate and low-impact updates can add to the bigger picture of economic trends. These key data releases may set the stage for market movement. Investors should plan for possible volatility, ensuring strategies are adaptable and informed.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The benchmark S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq indexes were up slightly after noon, as investors monitored private labor market data in the second day of a U.S. government shutdown. USDT and USDC, the two largest stablecoins by market capitalization, have slowly lost market share in the past year. Despite both coins steadily increasing their market caps, they have lost more than 5% of their combined market share. Oil prices fell over 1% to their lowest in 4 months, extending a run of declines into a fourth day due to concerns about oversupply in the market ahead of a meeting of the OPEC Plus group over the weekend.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.